Hi guys, and welcome to the next video on my YouTube channel. It's called Masters USA. First, let me thank you for such a great response. A total of 53 query emails I received, of which I have replied to 70%, and making this video which will answer the rest of it. If you're new to this channel, it would be beneficial if you watched the intro episode. The link is in the description and you can check it out. I'm Mr. Vidya and I'm going for my Masters in Michigan University on a departmental scholarship this weekend. Okay, let's start off. There are many ways to approach planning for getting into your dream university, but people often conclude by themselves or by hearing it from someone that a good GRE or TOEFL will make their way to the university. Well, let me break it up to you. The situation is not that black and white here. Generally, the question that we ask to ourselves or seniors is how to start off preparation for GRE and TOEFL. This is where it gets wrong. Well, we should first understand that GRE and TOEFL are not entrance examination for US university or any other university in the world. They are mere tests that proves your proficiency level. It's the complete profile that matters. By complete profile, I mean your bachelor's, your GPA in the bachelor's, extracurricular activities that you have done in your bachelor's, volunteer tasks, work experience in the field that you are going to apply for the masters, and how you're going to relate that work experience with your masters in your SOP, your way of writing it, LOR, and the minimum TOEFL score required. Now you see, I said minimum for that particular university, for that particular course which you are aiming for. Some university or courses like architecture does not even need a GRE. They just need a TOEFL score. So really, what do you think? How should we start? Should we first look for the courses, do a full research, and then know the minima and prepare for the test? That's a big no. Guys, we have to hit in the middle. Since your goal is not getting the best GRE or TOEFL score, but to get into your dream university, first check if you have to give GRE or TOEFL for your course. Now, from check, I mean check from the college website, as well as connect to the seniors through LinkedIn and ask them simply if they gave GRE or is it required in that university. Next, if you find out that GRE is required, you start right off with a schedule. You heard it. You make the damn schedule that particular day only and start learning GRE vocabulary from the next day. For 3 to 4 hours, writing is preferred, and practice them. There are more than 3000 words to learn, without which you have very less chances getting above the minima GRE score required for your course. For field like construction management, the safe score is 315 above out of 340. And whenever you get tired of learning vocab, the preferred value is 30 to 50 new vocabulary per day. You should start making an Excel of university when you're tired, and with the tabs like minima score required, deadlines for application, etc. I have attached an example of this type of an Excel that I prepared for myself in the video description down below. Nobody gave it to me. It took me months to make and update it. So go through it slowly, give it time, and understand the variables involved in the application process. Now, after 2-3 months of preparation, you would like to give GRE. Study says if you extend preparation post 3 months, you start to forget the GRE vocab. And trust me, I extended and it didn't help me a bit. So try to keep it under 3 months. Needless to tell you, don't aim for minimum required score. Aim for above safe score for your course, for the best university in your list. Now, let's say you are done with your GRE test. The second you complete your GRE test, you get a score on the screen. If it is above your safe score or 2-3 points near it, take a day rest, start preparing for TOEFL. It is relatively simpler, and you should give it 1 to 1.5 week. Plan the test dates that way. Again, try to hit above safe scores for your course for the best university in your list. Another reason why I asked you to make the Excel in the free time is you should also research university codes which you would type in at the time of your test day, so that you can send it for free to 5 university. TOEFL score sending costs 20 USD and GRE score sending costs 27 USD. So the net score sending to the 5 university, it would cost you around $47 into 5. That would come around $235. So that is a huge chunk of money you can save upon if you send it via remembering those codes and entering them in the test day itself. That amount, I would tell you, that amount is going to be your 1 month rent if you live in a shared room with one person in US non-western parts. or the cheaper paths like Texas. Now some, including myself, feared that if we do not score good and those scores are received by the university, it will kill our chances of getting an admit. This is extremely false assumption. Your last score would be considered and if and whenever you give the test again. That would be all for this video. One thing I would like to mention for the doubts query emails, it's better to comment in the video itself, as it is easier for you and me both to keep track of it. Also, it would save time for other students who might watch those comments to see their doubts cleared without even asking. In fact, that is the core idea behind this series. So please do that and stay tuned for the next video, in which I'll start to machine gun all the how to prep topics. Also, don't forget to subscribe or like this video, because your like can help someone desperate for assistance to this free video series of mine. Thank you. Peace out.